based on the general statistics presented and released by the Philippine Statistics Authority, formerly National Statistics Office, entitled Philippines in Figures 2014. The index crime where theft is a supplementary content leisurely decreased, providing an efficient rate percentage of 26.1 for year 2012, compared to the recorded value of 15.0 during the year 2010. The gradually increasing demand of intruder alarm usage for household or business establishments made those theft-related crimes to meet the positive percentage figures. Every home, establishments, or any of such kinds are different, and every person has different priorities and preferences when it comes to securing their home or business places. The microcontroller-based security alarm uses ultrasonic sensors calibrated in a horizontal position. Its function lies when someone or something blocks the wave of its direction.
You ready? Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the day.
The design is a microcontroller-based security alarm that provides security detection when there is a sudden intrusion in an establishment or household. The prototype provides a sound output with the use of piezo buzzer and a text display using an LCD when there is someone that blocks the sound waves produced by the installed ultrasonic sensor. The microcontroller processes all the given input data and executes the instruction depending on the condition.
Return to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment.